Please don't say anything. Yes.
9, ma'am.
Yes. Again, once again, you should not tell in between if I am asking questions to others. Yes, Rishikesh, what are the important three-dimensional figures?
Cone,
Ah,
cylinder,
yes,
cuboid,
yes,
cube,
yes, very good. Cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. Okay. What is meant by net of a solid? Renthir, what you understood? What is meant by net of a solid? Yes, Renthir, what you understood now? What is meant by net of a solid? Good morning, good morning. What is meant by net of a solid? Rishikesh?
Morning,
Yes, you did not listen. Yes, Rishikesh. What? Megha? Yes, Rishikesh. She is unmuting now. Yes, Rishikesh. What is meant by net of a solid?
Three-dimensional
Three-dimensional.
figure.
Three-dimensional solid is
Three-dimensional solid.
two-dimensional solid.
Solid.
The process is called, what is it called? It is called the net of a
Net
solid.
of a
Net
solid.
of a
Ma'am,
solid.
there's too many noise from someone's audio.
Somebody's audio. Who is that? Somebody unmuted. Yes. Now disturbances are there? No. Yes, Ivani, can you tell me what is meant by the three-dimensional figures? What are the examples for three-dimensional figures?
Cube,
Yes.
cuboid,
Yes.
cylinder, and
Yes.
cone
Yes. Very
are
good.
a few 3D objects.
Yes. 4 examples for the three-dimensional solid. Okay. Ashwin Krishna, what are the examples for two-dimensional figures?
Rectangle,
Yes. Very good.
cuboid,
Square, rectangle, and circle. Square, rectangle, and circle.
and circle.
Triangle also.
Yes. Square, rectangle, and
Circle.
circle. These are the important for two-dimensional figures. Okay. Guruchit, what is meant by the net of a solid? What you understood now?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Guruchit,
Ma'am, the first class I was to English.
yes.
The first class I was to English, ma'am.
You are not there in the first class? Yes, Devananda, what is meant by net of a solid? What is Devananda? What is meant by net of a solid? GB Chan, what is meant by net of a solid? GB Chan, can you tell?
Three-dimensional figure.
Three-dimensional figure is unfolded to form a, or the framework of a three-dimensional solid to form a 2D figure is called the, what it is called? It is called the net of a solid. What is meant by net of a solid? Three-dimensional figure is unfolded to get a two-dimensional figure is called what? It is called the net of a solid. Did you understand now?
Net of solid.
Net
Yes,
of
ma'am.
a,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So three-dimensional figure. So what are the, now you should draw the net of different types of solids. You have to study about it next class. And after that, okay. 1 minute, I will show you this. Yes. So next one, a cube means how many? Cube means it is a three-dimensional figure or two-dimensional figure. Cube means is it two-dimensional or three-dimensional figure? It is a three-dimensional figure. Then, if the cube is a three-dimensional figure, how many faces it will be having, Devadatt? If it is opened, how many faces? If it is open, how many faces? 6 faces will be there. What are the 6 faces? What are the shapes of 6 faces?
Square.
Each one will be a square. Okay. Then, next, each one is a square for a cube. George, a cuboid is a 3-dimensional or 2-dimensional?
3-dimensional.
It is a 3-dimensional. Others, all of you mute. Devadath, now you can mute. It is a 3-dimensional figure. How many, if it is unfolded, how many faces will be there?
6 faces.
6 faces will be there. Which are the 6 faces? 4 rectangles and 2 squares. 4 rectangles and 2 squares. 4 rectangles also will be there, and there will be 2 squares. Okay. 4 rectangles and 2 squares.
2 squares.
Next one, if a cylinder, if it happens a cylinder, then if it is a cylinder, what is the shape now? 1 curved surface and 2
And 2 circle. 1 rectangle and circle. If it is cylinder. Rectangle.
1 curved surface and what is the next shape?
2 circles.
Circles. Okay. 2 curved surface and so
Ma'am, should we write this?
no. Just listen. What I will tell you something. This is shapes and perspective. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Have you shown a 2-dimensional figure?
Which one?
2-dimensional figure.
Oh, yes. Yes. So cube is also a 2-dimensional figure. Okay. Then next one is a cylinder. A cylinder is unfolded. What you will get if a cylinder is unfolded? Cylinder is unfolded. What you will get? A rectangular face and 2 circles. 1 rectangular face and 2 circles. Okay. This is the net of a, which one? Net of a cylinder. This will be the net
Cylinder.
of a cylinder. So,
Cylinder.
cone. What will be the net of the cone?
Circle and
A circle and a curved surface. Okay. Circle and a curved surface. So these are the important, the 3-dimensional figures. And which are the important 2-dimensional figures? Which are the important 2-dimensional figures? Rectangle,
square,
square,
circle,
and
and triangle.
square. Okay. Then, so shall we write some definitions now? Yes, we can write the notes. Shall we write the notes? Yes. Rough book, now in class notes you have to write. Workbook 1 topic over. Now we are writing in class notes.
Paper, right?
Paper.
You have to write in paper. Yes, now you have to write in paper. Yes. Anybody? Continue. You can write. New chapter now. All same topic. First heading you write net. Net of a solid. Did you start writing? Wasim? Any doubt?
Can you show the board?
Yes.
Can you show the board? I was just writing.
You will.
Heading you write net of solid. Net of solid. That is the heading.
And this is notes.
Notes. Class notes. Net of solids.
Ma'am, you will be sending in the WhatsApp.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
After net of, after that, what is
You
that?
have to write the definition of net of a solid. This is the heading. Net of solid.
I'm asking that in the front of solid, is it A?
Net of. This is A.
Net of
Net of a solid.
net of a
Net
solid.
of a solid. Who unmuted there? Somebody, Ranthir, please mute. Ranthir, are you following now? Ranthir, are you following? Yes. Who unmuted? Somebody unmuted and disturbances are there. Catherine, please mute your audio. Catherine, any disturbance? What is meant by three-dimensional figures? Catherine, now you tell me. Yes, Catherine, she will answer now. Wait, let her answer. What is meant by what are the examples for three-dimensional figures?
Cube,
Yes. Cuboid.
cylinder,
Right now. And cone. Heading you write first one, net of a solid. The 2D framework of a 3D solid is called Catherine, did you mute now? Who's that unmuted now? Who unmuted? Catherine, please mute now. George, why your video is off? 2D framework of a 3D solid is called net of a solid.
Ma'am, I joined now only because of some
Who joined now?
Niranjana.
Yes, Niranjana, you can write these notes. That class I explained what is meant by three-dimensional figures.
Can you show the next one?
Yes, wait. Amal Fayaz.
I'm finished.
Anthony Harun, did you mute your audio? Finished all of you? Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one you can.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Net of a cube. Net of a,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
I didn't feel
yes.
that the 2D frame finish what is written.
3D solid is called net of a solid.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
The 2D frame
2D framework
wo-
of a 3D solid is called net of a solid.
Excuse me, ma'am. The next
Yes.
one is net of a.
Net of a cube
Next one you can write net of a cube. Net of a cube
Ma'am, is it CUBE?
CUBE. Net of a cube is having six faces.
What is that? Any net of?
Net of a cube.
Okay, ma'am.
Net of a cube. Net of a cube is having how many faces?
Six faces.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
No, in the net of a cube is having six faces. That
Yes.
much only.
That much only. All faces are squares. What are the shapes of each faces? Are squares.
Ma'am, after that faces.
Net of a cube is having 6 faces. All faces are squares.
My
Yes.
question.
Yes.
FACES,
Yes.
right?
ACES. Yes. Net of a cube. Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the heading of first one?
Net of solid. Net of solids heading you can write. The net of a solid. The 2D framework of a 3D solid is called net of a solid.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
that
finish.
faces
Finish.
called facer or
All faces are square. 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 Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is that after net of a cube is having?
Net of a cube is having 6 faces.
Okay, ma'am.
Net of a cube is having 6 faces. All faces are squares.
Ma'am, finish. Next. Ma'am, this much only.
Yes. Next one, net of a cuboid.
The spelling of
Can you
cubes.
show the
can you show the word?
Net of cuboid.
Next one.
Ma'am, I don't finish.
Can you show
Ma'am, can you show net of cuboid?
Yes. Next one we can write net of cuboid. Net of cuboid. Cuboid means you understood the shape. It is also having 6 faces. It is having 6 faces.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the next net of
Cuboid.
keyboard?
Net of a cuboid. It is
Ma'am,
having.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, that is CUBOID.
CUBOID. Cuboid. Cube means CUBE. Cube. Cuboid means CUBOID.
Ma'am, this much only cuboid.
Still it is there. It
Excuse
is
me,
having.
ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
The spelling of cube is SQUERES.
CUB. Cube. Cube no. Cube. CUB.
Not that one. In the
Cuboid. CUBOID. Cuboid.
Oh.
Cuboid. Not scuboid. Cuboid. It is having 6 faces, 4 rectangles.
Ma'am, can you move the board a little bit down?
Down.
Ma'am, we cannot see the cuboid.
Okay, that
Ma'am, I finished cuboid.
can't see cuboid.
Can't see, ma'am. We cannot see.
Cuboid, my finish cuboid.
Please mute.
some more down.
Yes, tell me. Shall I rub it now?
Some
Net
more
of-
down.
Yes, tell me your doubt.
Yes, Rab.
Some more down.
Ma'am, can you show that?
Yes, yes, it is going.
I am in last line.
Yes, yes, I will show it.
Can you show
Some
keyboard?
more down you are telling. I heard some more doubt.
No. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
That
Okay.
much okay.
Okay, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Ma'am, the spelling ERCTANGLE, right?
Rectangles. RECT
There was L.
and 2 squares. Who is talking there?
Anand.
4 rectangles and 2 squares.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, finish.
that 4 is number and 2 is writing spelling.
Yes. Okay, you can write 2 squares. 2 squares. Okay, you can write it.
Ma'am, this much only.
Who is asking that always?
Ma'am, Rishikesh.
Rishikesh? This much, how it will finish now? What are the things you learned? Cube, cuboid, then you studied about cylinder and cone. This much things you learn.
Ma'am,
Yes.
SQU.
SQUARE, square.
And next is net of a cylinder.
Next one you can write net of a cylinder. Net of a cylinder.
And cylinder spelling.
CYLINDER. 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 You can write net of a cylinder. Net of a cylinder is having net of a cylinder is having two circular ends. Two circular ends and a rectangle.
Two circular
Ends.
And what is the spelling of circular?
CIRCULAR. Circular.
And
Net of a cylinder is having two circular ends and a rectangle. Finished now?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And corn.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Devadat, mute your audio.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Adnan, any doubt you're having?
Having two circular ends.
Two circular ends and a
Circular
rectangle.
ends is this?
Ends. 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 Ends.
Oh.
Two circular
Okay, ma'am.
ends and a rectangle. Net of a cylinder. What is remaining? Advait Rajiv, what is remaining now? One more. Yes.
Net of a cone.
Cone. Excellent. Net of a cone. Advait Rajiv is not answering. Others are answering.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Circular spelling
CIRCULAR. Circular. You can write.
Coming, ma'am.
Zahra, please mute.
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Amal Fayaz, please mute.
And corn. CONE.
CONE, corn. Ice cream cones you have seen. Net of a cone. Net of a cone. Yes. Net. Yes.
My mobile.
Mobile charge is not there. Net. Not recorded. Recording now.
Yeah, ma'am. Recording.
It's recording. Who's Rishikesh? Somebody's who is telling there?
Ma'am, I am Ranji.
Ranthir is telling that. Ranthir, not having charge in your mobile, you can charge and do it.
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Yes. Net of a, yes, net of a cone is having a circular base
Half circular base. base.
Net of a cone is having a circular base and
Half circular.
a curved face and a curved surface. Curved means it is not straight, like a
Ma'am, circular spelling.
circular, circular.
That's all.
That's all. Here these knots are that much only. So net of a solid,
Or base.
And that circular and base.
circular base and a curved surface.
Ma'am,
Yes.
finished.
Finished.
The next one is what?
Next one. No, wait.
This much only?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
The cube.
Yes. Amal Fayaz, what are the definitions?
Can
you
you
have?
the board?
Yes, you want to see the board?
Ma'am, not finished.
You can write.
Ma'am, you.
Yes.
Writing in notebook. Notebook finish.
Notebook, no. This one you have to write in your class notes. I told you.
Yes,
Class
ma'am.
notes.
Mom, I have finished.
I
Yes.
copied
Done.
in class notes. This much
Ma'am.
only, ma'am, to write.
Who is that? Is it Guruchit is asking this much
Ma'am,
only?
it is Ashwin.
Who is asking? Please mute your audio. Akshit, please mute.
Not Akshit, Ashwin.
Ashwin. Yes, Ashwin. Yes, Ashwin. Yes.
Can you show the board? Ma'am, I didn't have the paper. That's why I write in the
Yes.
note.
And you can.
Net of a cone. Net of a cone is having a circular base and a curved surface.
Ma'am, can you show the next one?
Next one I will show. 3 more minutes are there. Amal Fayaz, are you ready for the seminar?
It was
Amal
not Amal Fayaz, it was
Amal
Rayan.
Fayaz is not there. Are you ready for the seminar?
Ma'am, can you show the
Niranjana, why you unmuted now?
Ma'am, Ryan is ready.
Yes.
Ryan.
Vaihan is ready. Yes.
Ma'am,
How many are unmuting for what?
Ma'am, Ryan is ready.
Ryan, that day you told, no?
Ma'am, today I told.
Today you told seminar?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay, you
don't.
can say now. You can say. How many are there today for seminar? Anthony Harun. Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
Next.
Zahra.
Zehra. Zehra already told.
And which topic, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
Which topic I told you? Types of angles. Yes, Ryan is ready now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ryan, Anthony Harun, George. Okay, you can say.
The main.
Ah.
The main.
Start. Anthony Harun, you can start now, fast.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Which topic?
Any topic you tell, whatever you like it, how much you learned. You can say about the types of angles if possible. Okay, they will listen, all of them, they will listen. And you can ask the questions.
Ma'am, Ryan can say.
Yes, I have been finish, let him finish one by one.
Basic geometrical ideas.
Yes.
Geometry.
Yes.
Is considered as father of geometry.
Okay, Euclid is considered as the father of geometry. Okay.
Point a exact
An
location
exact location in space. Yes.
is called point.
Yes.
Line.
You can ask the questions also. What is,
Many points placed close to each other in a
yes. Straight path.
straight path
Uh,
form a line.
okay, very
Ma'am,
good.
I didn't hear.
Not
The father of geometry.
and
Put it on here.
point.
And that.
A path,
Yes, he
a
is telling.
path of line is called a segment.
Yes.
A ray is having two
He is having some network issue. So in between it is. Yes. Good.
A ray is
Part
a
of what?
part of line which have starting point, but no endpoint.
Okay. Okay, good. Finish now. Clap for, yes. Still
Ma'am,
it
I
is,
didn't hear who is the father of geometry.
who is the father of geometry? Devadatta, you only tell now.
Euclid.
Euclid. He is asking again. Yes, clap for him now. Is it correct what he told? So all became perfect now. Yes. George, you can say.
Membrane.
Types of angles, right?
Yes, Ryan, I will give chance. Yes.
The
Types of angles. Yes.
Yes. Types of angles.
Who is telling in between? Please mute.
Zero angle.
did.
George already did.
Yes.
No. Yes, you let him say today. Then
George was the first one who did it.
George was the first who did it. Okay.
But what?
No problem. You can say once again. Okay.
Zero angle.
Ah.
An angle with measurement of 0 degree is called a zero angle.
Okay.
Acute angle. If one ray moves such that its final position from one ray is between 0 degree and 90 degree, we call that acute angle.
Okay. Good.
Right angle.
Okay.
When the distance between
Yes.
the initial ray and the final ray
Yes.
is 90 degree,
Hmm.
then we call it right angle.
Okay. Good.
Obtuse angle.
Yes.
If the distance between the initial ray and final ray is between 90 degree
Hmm.
to 180 degree,
Yes.
then it is called obtuse angle.
Okay.
Straight angle.
Yes,
The
he did not say. Ryan Raju. Yes.
final ray lies at distance of 180 degree.
Hmm.
It is called straight angle.
Okay.
Reflex angle.
Ah.
If the ray is at a distance of more than 180 then it is called reflex angle.
Okay.
Complete angle.
Okay.
A complete angle, if the ray is moved from complete 360 degree, then it is a complete angle.
Okay. Very good. Clap for him. Yes, Ryan Raju, you can say now.
The main branches of mathematics are arithmetic, algebra, geometry. What are the main? Randhir,
Yes,
What are
Ranthir.
the
Yes,
main-
Ranthir. Ranthir, where are you? Ranthir. No, he is not there. Any others you can ask fast. Only 1 more minute now.
Rishikesh.
Rishikesh.
What are the main branches of mathematics?
Algebra,
Yes.
arithmetic,
Geometry.
Geometry.
Yes, geometry. Okay, good. Now,
Father-
father.
Geometry.
Ah.
Euclid is
Yes.
Ma'am,
Euclid.
Whom you will ask the question now? Devadatt. Devadatt.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is considered as father of geometry?
Euclid.
Euclid. Is it correct now, Rian?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next.
Ma'am, I want to answer the question.
Next.
Define a point. An exact location in space is called point. We
Yes.
can mark any point and give any name. AC and BC.
Okay. So
Krishna.
1 more minute is there.
Yes.
Yes.
What is a point?
Yes. What is a point?
A point is a location in space.
Exact location in.
Exact location in space.
Okay. Very good. So still questions now. Now who should tell? Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes.
not finished.
Not finished. Still how much is there? 12:30 now. Yes. Fast.
Line. Many points placed close to each other is a straight path of a line. All line is not having endpoints.
Yes, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
ask. You can ask the question now. Over?
No, ma'am.
No, no. Yes,
Gibi-
fast. Who?
Gibi-
GB Chan.
What is a line?
Where is GB Chan? Nived is getting ready. Yes, Nived is getting ready. You can ask him.
Nived,
Yes.
a line.
Line is many points each to cross other.
Yes,
is
many
called
points.
a line.
Okay, very good. So next one. Yes, Rian. One more question. Or shall we wind up now? Yes. So next one. Who is telling next day? Then Zahra. Zahra already told now. Faihan. Faihan Christo. Okay. Ahian will tell. Okay. Ahian already told. Already told. Niranjana not told. Okay, Niranjana. Guruchit. Okay, Niranjana, Guruchit. Today she is absent. Who is that? Ameya absent. Amal Fayaz not told now. Christo will tell tomorrow. Christo, Niranjana. Okay, bye-bye. This much things you should learn and come tomorrow. Already time over. We can do in the next class. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Did you understood now? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.